Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is our 100th video. So this question says the depth of a lake is 100 meters as shown below. Determine the absolute pressure and gauge pressure on the bottom of the lake. The density of water is 997 kilogram per meter cube and atmospheric pressure is 101.3 kilopascal, which is constant. Right? So the first thing we want to do is we want to look for the gauge pressure, denoted as PG. P is pressure. So to get the formula for gauge pressure, we need to remind ourselves that pressure is equal to force over area, right? And force is equal to, this is comma, and force is equal to mass times acceleration due to gravity, right? On the other hand, remind ourselves that density is equal to mass over volume, and mass is equal to density times volume. So substituting this into the M for force, we have it to be force is equals to density times volume times acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so we are going to refer to this as our equation 1. And also the derivation of volume is equals to area times height. So inputting this into this equation, so therefore our force is equals to density times area times height, then times acceleration due to gravity. So if we input this into our equation 1 above, we are going to have pressure or gauge pressure is equal to our F over area, in which our F is density times area times height times acceleration due to gravity. So area cancels area. Therefore, our formula to derive the gauge pressure is equal to density times height times acceleration due to gravity. So by the time we apply this into the equation, so first of all, let's look for our gauge pressure, which is PG, equal to density of water is 997 kilogram per meter cube, right? Times what is gravitational due is acceleration due to gravity is 9.81 meter per second square, and our height is 100 meter. So solving this, we get 978.1 kilopascal, right? So I had to convert to kilopascal because the SI unit for pressure is kilopascal. Then second, now let's solve for our absolute pressure. Take note that our absolute pressure is equal to gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure, and our atmospheric pressure is constant, which is 101.3 kilopascal. So to do the sum to get our absolute pressure, so let's call this PA, or ordinary P, I guess, absolute pressure, ordinary P, equal to our gauge pressure, which is 978.1 kilopascal, plus this, then we get our absolute pressure. Therefore, absolute pressure is 1079.4 kilopascal. Alright guys, thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and peace out.